Good morning, good night, good afternoon. We're on the job site. Lawrence and the boys. We got Big Mickey and we got concrete. We got exposed to do around their house. But this time we're not seeding it. We actually got exposed in the stone. And we got alley strips. But we're going all the way around. We're not doing the driveway. Just all the patios and surrounds. See what we can get. Let's go. Dell's backing the truck up. When your young guys back the truck up, make sure you don't stand behind the truck. The truck driver's got to see you in the mirrors. There's see us in the mirrors. And make sure you look through the roof. You're going to hit something. Watch your tags. You got to watch everything. So you got to tell him when to stop as well. So just be careful when you actually bring the truck back. Make sure he can see where you are. I've seen people get run over by the truck, not taking notice of what's going on. Trucks hit the roof, everything happens. Alright. We've got 9:15. That took us like 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Put that in, it's nice and dry. We want it dry, so it dries real quick before the rain comes. I just screwed it off with a 10-footer. It's probably about 12 or 13 foot wide. Beautiful. Bring the truck around here now. Do a walk like that for a bit. Yeah, like we said, no sprinkling stones in this one today. Stones are in here. Alright. We'll get the truck over here. Let's back the truck up. Make sure he can see you. Oh, you can see me in the mirror. So he's all good to come back. Sometimes the chutes go loose. This one looks like it's locked in. He's got heaps of room. Make sure. Heaps of room. Guide him back. That'll do. Alright, barrel this bit. Let's go.
Yeah, yep. Might as well.
Alright, we got 10 to 10, just did this bit, spread that bit out that way, no actually this way, and then this way, then this way. Do this Bit of mower strip here. And around here, Mickey's got the patio going really good. We've got one more side to do with mower strips. And then we are done. Bit of trowelling, bit of sugaring, off we go. Alright guys, it's 10:20 and we got all this part done now too. All this part around here. Just come around here with me. Esky. Boys already troweled off again, edged it again. Then they're ready for sugar over here. They're sugaring up. Yep. They are. They're spraying. Good stuff. Another couple of hours we'll be washing off. Another hour I reckon. All done. Let's put my esky down here. Some shade. Sorry I didn't get too much of that, but oh well. Might get Mickey doing some stick troweling in there. Just spraying all the stuff in the sun. We poured it nice and dry, so we don't have to sit around and wait for it. We started at 8:30 today. We're only doing a little bit, so we're not doing a house. So we got concrete second up for the day. The rain's staying back so far.
Yeah, we'll be right.
Good call. Good call. Alright, we'll see when washing off. Alright, 11:30 and we're washing off. We're just using squeegees. Lawrence has sugared at perfect timing. We don't have to scrub nothing. We just got to grab the slurry off for him. He's just sussing this bit out, so front door entrance is going to be very nice. The whole thing's going to be very nice, really, but you don't want to fuck the front entrance up, that's for sure. Come off with the hose. Probably my favourite stone. Looks nice and tight, look at that, beautiful. Straight from the factory. Alright, my help line. Alright, we have hit 12 o'clock. And we've got a fair bit washed off now. That, beautiful. Beautiful mix. Nice and even. Yep. We'll pull this over here. Alright. Bloody fingers. Hold the hose on. Make sure the hose doesn't hit the edge. Wash a bit more off in here. We're just using the squeeze to pull the slurry off, that's it. As I said, if you sugar at the right time, the hose should blow it all off. Right down to the right depth, and there should be no more greyness coming out. The rest of it's rock out. Huh? I think we just changed the world. Right. 13 past 12. Then we're done. All the way around. Say the whole lot. Got the little strips in there this time. No cutting this one. Beautiful. the builder set this one up, so we're just leaving the box in here. And we're leaving all the pegs and stuff because it's all his, not ours. But beautiful. Beautiful, cannot complain. It's Friday, we started at 8:30 and it's 12 o'clock, 12:30 say, time to leave here. Good day, awesome. And all the way to the front. Back to the start. Good times. Alright, that's the end of our day. Just gotta pack the hoses up, put all the squeegees away, and we're done. But we've got big slab tomorrow to do, so we might see you tomorrow. See if we can get a video happen. If it's too hot, we'll see what happens. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks to the boys again. We'll see you more tomorrow, I suppose. You can subscribe, it'd be good. Leave a comment, and I'll see you next job. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone that's been wishing us Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to you and all your families. I'm just talking shit now. I need to go. Bye-bye. All right, you see me when I got here, and now I'm leaving. We're finished. You have to watch the video tonight and see what we've done.